What if your supply chain teams could see performance trends before they became problems? Track demand shifts as they happen, spot bottlenecks, and collaborate with suppliers, all from a single portal. Manufacturers are surrounded by data, but without integration or clarity, insights are missed, decisions are delayed, and optimization is left to guesswork. Fusion changes that. It gives every stakeholder a clear view of inventory and supply chain performance in real time. Surfaced through a secure branded interface, it's simple to use and is live in days. Dashboards track real-time stock levels and demand trends. Operational analytics guide reordering and flag issues early. And with shared insight, suppliers become part of the process, improving alignment and responsiveness across the chain. The result? Lower stock holding, fewer shortages, and faster decisions. But more than that, Fusion enables collaborative supplier relationships where insight replaces assumption and performance improves on both sides. Want to give your manufacturing clients supply chain insight that drives performance? Scan the QR code and see how Fusion enables Qlik resellers to lead the conversation.